Hey, how are you doing?
Well, that depends on how you're doing, doesn't it?
What on earth do you mean?
Well, we're in business school, aren't we? Everything that we do is graded on a curve. So, even if the last grade I got on my quant midterm was complete shit, if your grade was shittier I'd be doing fantastic, wouldn't I?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So, how did you do on the quant midterm?
I didn't do that well, but it seems like everyone did poorly, so I'm not that worried about it.
Shit. I wish I could be that carefree about things. All this fucking work is making me break out like a teenager again, but at the same time I'm starting to find clumps of hair in my shower drain like someone is running a barber shop out of my bathroom. If things keep up the way they've been, I'm going to be balder than a baby's ass by the end of the semester.
Whoa. It sounds to me like you need to chill out a bit, man. Have you tried any of those stress management techniques we learned in leadership class? Breathing through the heart seems to work for me.
Breathing through the heart? Are you serious? Last time I checked, my lungs were attached to my trachea, which opens up to my throat, which is attached to my mouth, which is now telling you to fuck off. I don't see any opportunity for heart breathing in that sequence of events. Do you?
Hey, it's just a suggestion. No reason to take it so personally. You do realize that this program is designed to test your time and stress management skills, don't you?
Actually, prick. I do, but that doesn't mean I have to like it.
What field are you trying to go into again?
Human resources.
Yeah. Good luck with that.